Not that excited, but nice.
Wait, why?
I don't know. Not
Did you
that
hear these
excited.
stories?
Yeah, my friend was in charge of the stretcher. They were just standing in attention. Apparently, it was really hot. And he's just really big, and he just fainted.
Wait, he fainted.
Yeah.
Oh, must be like from the sun, right?
Yeah, probably it was the sun.
Yeah.
Then my friend went with the stretcher to pick him up. They put him on the stretcher, but he was too big. And he just rolled over.
Huh?
He was okay in the end.
Man, hopefully it doesn't happen to you.
I just hope it'll be okay. I hope there's time to shower as well.
Nice story. But actually, I need to go
Okay,
now.
I'll see you soon,
So,
man.
bye.
Bye. I don't know why he was in a rush. You good? You good? I knew you'd be good.